Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I got a cold this past weekend, so I know I sound terrible, but bear with me as I try and voice over this tutorial. Today I'm sharing this cute lavender purple heart leopard print design. That was like such a mouthful. But the design is really cute for Valentine's Day or just the upcoming spring season, so I hope you like it. These are the polishes I'll be using. We have Sally Hansen, Orchiding Aside, Zoya Carter and Tina, and Out the Door White Porcelain. I'm using a small dotting tool and a thin brush called Berry Wine from Winstonia. And for my top coat, I'm going with Sally Hansen Big Matte, which is one of my favorites. Now, let's get started. We're starting off this mani by painting our index and middle nail in a white base. Next, we are using a pixie dust from Zoya, which is textured for our ring nail. If you don't have this polish, you could always just use a glitter balm instead. And for our pinky, we are using a light lavender cream. Even though it's not shown in the video, for this mani, my thumb would also be in the same light lavender cream color. For the heart prints, we are using the smallest dotting tool and creating little V's for the heart shape. You're going to want to spread them around so that they're not too cluttered, and also do them in different directions. Don't worry about it being a little misshapen, it'll fix itself out once we do the outline. For the outline, I'm using the thin brush instead of the dotting tool so I can have finer edges. I felt this was important so that I didn't lose the shape of the heart in the process, which ended up happening in my first attempt at this mani. As a finishing touch, go back in with the brush and rotate between the two creams and add little circular shapes in the empty spots. Again, be sure not to add too many to over-clutter the nail. And finally, we're going to seal our design with a top coat. I know this clip, the print outline, is a little darker, but that's because this was my first attempt and apparently I didn't record the second when I switched the colors. I would blame being sick, but this actually happened weeks ago. Anyway, I hope you like this simple and fun design inspired by the popular nail storming on Instagram. Let me know if you decide to recreate this look, and hopefully I'll see you soon with one more design for Valentine's Day. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, it really helps a lot, and hit that subscribe button. Hope you like this mani, and I'll catch you soon. Bye guys!